Hey, LinkedIn fam, it's Basem, your certified SolidWorks expert, and today I want to take you in a journey from imagination to creation. Ever wondered how you can turn a simple sketch into a tangible 3D printed masterpiece? Well, let's see how I did it. I began my adventure with a simple Google search. I typed in a various keywords until I found a vision that truly captured my imagination, a fancy remote control. The sketches I stumbled upon gave me the perfect top and side views to work with. With those sketches in hand, I launched the 3D Experience platform and opened the xShape app. This incredible tool allowed me to import those views and start the magic. I began modeling using the platform's flexibility to sculpt a smooth, ergonomic body. Details make all the difference, so I carefully added them to my model. Every button, curve, and contour was crafted to bring my remote control to life. Once satisfied with my curation, I exported the file as an STL file. Why? Because it was a time to turn this digital form into a physical reality. The 3D printer software was my next stop. Scaling and orienting the part correctly was the key. With a few clicks, I was ready to start printing. Waiting for a 3D print to finish is like watching your dreams come to life layer by layer. It's a mix of excitement and anticipation that's hard to describe. Finally, after what felt like eternity, I held my 3D printed remote control body in my hands. It was no longer a mere sketch, it was a tangible object, a testament to the power of technology and creativity. Of course, there is a room for improvements in terms of the printing resolution, but for now, I'm thrilled with the results. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and insight on the Dassault Systems 3D experience. And thanks for joining me on this journey, and tell me your opinion. I will be happy to hear it. Bye bye.